Yo, what up guys? This is another El Cheapo Reviews video where today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing these bad boys. Yo, roll the intro. Let's go. Alright, welcome back to another El Cheapo Reviews video. So today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing these bad boys. These are Tech Inc. wireless Bluetooth headphones. I had to go and buy some because I just got a new phone and it doesn't have a fucking AUX port on it. Yeah, so let's get right into it. These things are Bluetooth, so you don't need to like plug them into your phone, which I think is brilliant, I guess. Yeah, you can pick them up from the warehouse. 18 bucks. Oh, nah, they were like 20 bucks each. Yeah, the guy in the shop said they're alright. So, I think they're alright. Maybe, I don't fucking know. Look, here they are. Headphones. They got a driver diameter of 40 millimeters. So that's almost as big as my penis. They got a padded headband. That's good. Alright, look, let's unbox it. 2-year warranty. Would you believe it? Alright. It's got a stupid bit of tape on it. Honestly, so far the unboxing experience has been subpar. Yeah, no, you can, yeah, so I got this from the warehouse, right? They're probably at a warehouse near you. If you need some wireless headphones, 20 bucks. Yeah, we'll unbox it. It's absolutely covered in sticky tape. There you go. Alright, so when you get it like this, you gotta take a couple of bits of sticky tape off it, and then you can just kind of open it with your hands, probably. Alright, right, we'll do a bit of a top-down view, eh? Wait, hold up. Wait, just chill the fuck out first. Alright. There you go, there's a top-down view. So, there you go. Looks like it slides out, just like that. Ooh, look at that. So that's what you're getting out of the box. Oh. You got a little bit of paper here. Got a user manual. You get this neat bit of cardboard, man. That's fucking cool. Holy shit. Could have some fun with that. And yeah, there's the product. Actually feels pretty good. Little sticky thing on the side of it. But that just comes right off. So you don't have to worry about that. Actually, yeah, maybe 20 bucks. This is, oh, look at that, adjustable. So yeah, it looks like to adjust these things, you just kind of pull on them like that. Quite good. Fucking Jesus. Fuck, I just spoiled this fucking phone. Yeah. So on their max setting, they fit my head. I've got kind of a little bit of an abnormally large head. On their minimum setting, they don't. Yeah, I'd say there's a good chance that these will fit your head. If you're looking for some headphones that'll fit your head, yeah, I'd probably put them somewhere in between. Oh. Actually, I mean, I've never bought a pair of wireless headphones, I don't fucking know, but they do feel like I wasn't like half decent quality for $20 bloody. They got this fake leather shit on them. Yeah, they got this fake leather shit on them. Yeah, cool, man. What the fuck? Okay, so going over the features of this thing. I'll turn it on in a minute. Just chill out. So going over the features of this thing, it looks like it's got a couple of volume buttons there, which you might be able to see on my piece of shit phone that doesn't have autofocus. So anyway, you got a volume button there, okay, 2 volume buttons. You got a button that says B on it, which I can only assume stands for brilliant. Bass boost. Okay, it's got a bass boost button. That's cool. It's got a micro SD reader. I mean, that is actually kind of cool thinking about it. So if you don't feel like listening to music off your phone like a normal person, you can slot a little SD card into this thing and have a truly fucking untethered experience. Don't know if that works or not. Yeah. Comfort wise, pretty good. I'm hearing quite a bit of noise cancelling from them, so we got that. Fashion wise, fucking legit, man. That was sexy as fuck. Alright, I'm gonna set them up to my phone and I'll see how they sound. So yeah, actually, yeah, they're alright. The bass boost button you pretty much have to have on, otherwise it sounds like a tinny piece of shit. But yeah, with that bass boost button on, yeah, they sound alright. Like, very, like, listenable. I mean, they're not $200 headphones. Because I know what $200 headphones are like. I mean, they're not $200 headphones. I mean, they're not $200 headphones. Yeah. I don't know what $200 headphones are like. I mean, yeah, they're not $200 headphones, but for $20, mate, you can't go wrong, man. Like, put it this way, you've just gone out, bought a new stupid fucking phone, learned it doesn't have an audio part on it, and you need some headphones. Go to the WD-40, pick these up. I saw some slightly cheap ones there. There was some for like $15. There was some for like $15, right? And I was like, nah, fuck that shit. I'm gonna. Where's the box? There's the box. Yeah, I was like, nah, I ain't buying that cheap shit. I'm getting these. Okay, they were like $25 or some shit. Okay. I don't know, cheaper ones might be good. I'll review that in a future video. But yeah, these for $25 or $20 or I don't know, whatever the fuck I paid for it. Right, then, they're good. Yeah. So yeah, Tekken Cooperative. No, they don't sponsor me or anything like. They probably should do because I rate the shit. They probably actually have like portions. But going back into the tech details, the technical spec of these is 40mm drivers, frequency response 20 Hz to 20,000, sensitivity 110 decibels. Yeah, and it's got an impedance of 64 ohms, which I don't know, I guess that's kind of high. But yeah, no, if you were, you know, giving some thought into these, and you're like, oh, should I buy them? Should I not? Then you're a retard. If you were giving this some thought, you're like, should I buy these Tech Incorporated $20 headphones? And you were kind of mulling it over. You know, you've been thinking about this for a couple of weeks. Should I buy them? Should I not? Then you're fucking retarded. Then, yeah, no, absolutely. Then yeah, no, absolutely. Buy them. They're good. I mean, it's $20 and you can't lose the way I see it. Yeah. Thank you for watching this unboxing and review of the Tech Incorporated Bluetooth headphones. I don't know, like, if you're actually interested in buying these, I don't know how I could identify the product because it's some generic shit. Look for a box like this. I got them from the warehouse. Actually, fucking $20, mate. If you want a pair of cheap wireless headphones, yeah, shit, yeah, do it. Yeah. Thanks for watching this review, and I'll get you guys next time. Laters.